How to use DepositPhotos AI Image Generator Full 2026 tutorial. AI image generation in 2026 is honestly getting ridiculous. A few words, a few seconds, and suddenly you have cinematic thumbnails, ad creatives, social media posts, product mockups, and even realistic artwork. And you can do all of that without opening Photoshop once. And one of the platforms that are quietly becoming a serious player in this very space is DepositPhotos AI Image Generator. Now, most people know Deposit Photos for stock images, but they have evolved way beyond that. They now have AI image generation, AI editing tools, AI assistant features, creative automation tools, and surprisingly good image quality. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how all of this works, what's actually useful, where it's strong, where it struggles a little, and whether it's worth using in 2026 or not. And full disclosure, this video is sponsored by Deposit Photos, but as always, we'll provide our best and honest take on all aspects during this review. So let's get started. And make sure to stick around until the very end of this video for a very special promo code. So firstly, what actually is Deposit Photos? Now, traditionally, Deposit Photos was known as a massive stock asset platform. People used it for stock photos, videos, illustrations, templates, and marketing assets. So basically, it was a giant creative library. But now they're actually integrating AI directly into the platform. And honestly, that is the smarter move. Because in 2026, creators don't just want to search for content anymore, they want to create content instantly. So Deposit Photo now combines stock media, AI image generation, AI powered editing, and creative assistant tools. And you can do that all inside one ecosystem. And that combination is actually pretty useful because you can generate images, you can edit them, upscale them, and combine them with stock assets without jumping between 15 different platforms. Now, let's get into the actual AI image generator. So basically, you come over to depositphotos.com website, and right here in their tools, you're going to find the AI image generator. Now, the AI image generator is very straightforward. The setup is really clean. The user interface is really nice. All you're going to need to do is you're going to come up here to this text prompt, type a prompt, choose a style, generate, and within seconds you get multiple AI generated images. So first of all here, you can choose your model. So there's the Bria model, which is Deposit Photos' very own model, licensed data model, brand safe image generation for commercial use across web and print. And they also have Nano Banana, which is Google's very own generative model. Okay, so of course I'm going to be using Nano Banana for my own generation. Then there's aspect ratios. You can choose whatever you want. Let's say I'm going to keep it square. Then there's the style. So you can go with auto detect, so it detects which style works best for your prompt, or you can go with either an artistic or a photography choice. And then you can also upload a reference image to give it an idea of what kind of generation you want. So, disregarding all of that, let's actually go ahead and type in a prompt. Okay, so let's go ahead and write in something like ultra realistic image of a flying car on fire. Let's say flying into horizon. Let's go with something a little more crazy with a war going on in the background. So let's say we're going to go ahead and write something like this, and we're going to hit generate. Now, once you hit generate from here, in seconds, you're going to get your AI generated image or images. Now let's talk about the actual experience, because every AI generator in 2026 claims the best quality, most realistic, most creative. But this is the type of stuff that Deposit Photo is going to give you. So as you can see, we have a flying car on fire, flying into the horizon. There's a war going out, and it is a pretty decent generation. Okay, so in the end, what matters most is how usable the result is going to be, and honestly, Deposit Photos performs surprisingly well for marketing visuals, social media graphics, thumbnail concepts, blog imagery, product style renders, and stylized artwork. The biggest strength here is going to be accessibility. As you can see, the interface is quite clean. You don't need any advanced prompt engineering knowledge. Even simple prompts are going to work reasonably well. So for example, I can go and give a pretty simple prompt like Cyberpunk City at night. Let's go with something like with neon, reflections, and rain. So we can go with this. Now you can keep it artistic, but let's say I'm going to go into the photography style so it can, make it a little realistic. And we hit on generate from here. And almost immediately it generates a pretty solid cinematic result. So as you can see, I'm going to wait like around 5 to 10 seconds for it. And inside 5 to 10 seconds, the image is right in front of us. And you can go ahead and check it out how cool it looks. Now, if you want better results, specificity still matters. The more details you provide, the more better your output becomes. Details like lighting, camera angle, art style, colors, moods. So instead of writing something as simple as a dog, you can go ahead and write golden retriever. Okay. And you can go ahead and describe. So sitting in a cozy cafe, and we're going to go with comma. Let's go ahead and describe the scene. Cinematic lighting. And let's describe it more. Shadow, depth of field. Okay. And let's add one last bit. Ultra realistic. Now, once we've added this, again, we're going to make sure that it is set on photography, and we're going to hit generate. And again, once you hit generate, you're going to see a huge difference in all of this. Okay, again, wait for around 5 to 10 seconds, and there we go. Our generation is done, and look at that. Look at how cool that looks. Now, another thing that I liked, and you probably noticed as well, is the generation speed. Some AI tools are going to make you wait forever. DepositPhotos feels fairly responsive, especially for quick ideation and content workflows. Now, moving on, you can also go ahead and test different workflows like realistic photography, animes, fantasy art, business graphics, social media thumbnails, and product advertising visuals. All of these are things that you can actually find in the AI image generator library, where they actually show you the different generations that people have created through DepositPhotos. And all the generations you see there are generations that people have personally made. Okay. And what you can do is you don't actually need to stop at these generations. You can actually go over to explore ideas and see what people are making. So look at this. These are all generations from our DepositPhotos. You can see the hands and facial details, and all the other types of things like lighting, shadow, depth of field are absolutely incredible in these. And you can actually see the prompts that they've used for themselves. So pretty incredible. And it gets pretty interesting because once you have actually generated your images, you can go into the AI editing features as well. Okay. And you can find those AI editing features right in your DepositPhotos. So if we go over to the images section, you can go ahead and edit them through its very own AI image generator or AI image editor tool as well, which is basically this, Vista Create Editor. So basically, it doesn't really end over here. You can work along with it as you go on furthermore. Now let's answer the most important question. Who is DepositPhotos AI generator actually best for? Now, I'd say it's best for different content creators, YouTubers, marketers, bloggers, freelancers, social media managers, and small business owners. Now, they're going to get the most value from it, especially people who need fast visual content creation. Now, if your workflow depends on constant visuals, this saves a massive amount of time. Now, if you're a high-end professional artist doing ultra-precise concept work, you may still prefer advanced specialized AI workflows. But for mainstream creator usage, DepositPhotos is actually very practical. Now let's talk about the pricing as well, because in 2026, AI tools have actually gone ahead and changed their pricings up a bit. So of course, there is the monthly plans, and it depends on downloads per month. Okay, so the more downloads you get, the more the pricings increase, but you can also go with the annual plans, and the pricing is pretty decent. according to other stock usage, you can go with these as well. But do remember that getting these plans doesn't only get you the AI editor or AI image generator, it also gives you the 334 million plus licensed images that it actually provides. So let's do the honest review. Things that I liked are firstly the interface, which is absolutely beginner friendly. Secondly, it has extremely fast generation speeds, as you clearly saw in front of you. Thirdly, you have solid stylized artwork quality. Fourth, you have an integrated editing workflow. And fifth, you have stock assets plus AI generation together, which is genuinely convenient. Now, there are a few things that still need improvement, like every AI generator. Results are not perfect every single time. You still occasionally will get a little weird anatomy, strange object details, inconsistent realism, and highly complex prompts sometimes need retries. But honestly, that is true for basically every AI image generator right now. No platform is magically perfect. So, once we've gone through ahead with all of that, as promised, there is a special promo code for viewers watching this video. You can use it to get a discount or special offer depending on the current campaign running through Deposit Photos. Definitely worth checking out if you're planning to experiment with AI image generation or upgrade your whole workflow when it comes to images. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, you can actually go ahead and get a special deal on Deposit Photos right now. But it is only for a limited time, so make sure to use the special link and promo code below. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.